This platform right here actually did generate about 24.7 million visits in the last 28 days right here, and this is quite an impressive amount of traffic which this platform did generate. If you keep on scrolling through, so you could get to the country and geography targeting, you could actually find out the composition of this website traffic, and you'll find out that 95.2% of this website traffic did come from the United Kingdom right here, and you can see about 0.66% comes from the United States. You can see the percentage of percent that come from the Australia, France and Ireland. So meaning that, guys, this particular website, if you do go on to promoting the United Kingdom traffic or CPA marketing offer, anything related to that particular country right there, you do get a better chance of earning some cool commission right there. And this website is none other than this platform right here, which is called the gumtree.com. And guys, this is actually an amazing platform where you could go on to posting ads for absolutely free right here using this platform. As you can see, if you do go on to registering for an account on this platform called gumtree.com, you can do come right here to this section which says sell. You want to just simply click on that icon right now, and if you do that, guys, as you can see, it says post an ad. Without actually asking me to go on to paying any form of money right here, I could go on to posting my ad. You can see right here in this category section, it says tell us what you want or what you are posting. And right now, if I do want to just simply utilize this platform to go on to promoting a CPA marketing offer from a platform such as the CPAGRIP.com, I'm just going to head on to the CPAGRIP.com. If you don't have an account, click on register. You'll be brought to this particular page where you just simply have to fill out this simple form right here, provide your basic details, and you want to just simply focus more on the fields that are actually having this red asterisk signs. If you focus on such fields, for this publisher type, select the website instance or the GPT right here, as that actually do help you get your account approved almost immediately. Once that is done, guys, just simply go on to reading through the terms of services by clicking on this section. If those terms of services are actually okay by you, go on to checking out these boxes right here. And once you do check out such boxes, click on register, and your account should be created almost immediately, where you can actually log into your account and be brought to a dashboard such as this. And right now, guys, I'm just going to go on to selecting offer by clicking on offer tools, and you can actually do go on to clicking on my offers. If you do that, guys, you'll be shown some offers right here which you could go on to promoting, and I could just simply select offers from any country of my choice right here. But because this particular website do get much more of its traffic from the United Kingdom, it is quite advisable to go on to promoting offers from the United Kingdom right here. If I do go on to searching for the United Kingdom right here, guys, so guys, you can see that all these offers right here are actually available to the United Kingdom right here. I could just simply go on to selecting an offer right now, and this is an example of a school offer right here which I could go on to promoting, which is for them to actually do gain access to a 50 or a 500 euros Morrison gift card, or you could select any offer of your choice right here. But right here you could see more details about this offer. It is actually available for people in the United Kingdom only. It's a desktop offer and also an email and zip submit offer. Here is the payout to this offer, which is about $1.50, and I can just simply copy the unique affiliate link right here to this offer to go on to promoting that. So once you copy such link right here, you could then just simply head on to go on to creating a landing page for that particular CPA marketing offer, which you could use this platform right here, which is called the breezy.io. You could use the systemy.io also to go on to creating a simple landing page right now, or you could use any landing page builder site out there, and they are quite numerous. Just simply grab hold of one and just simply go on to creating an easy and cool landing page right now for that CPA marketing offer. Or you could just simply take advantage of this platform right here, which is called the Linktree right now, and this is quite an amazing platform also, which you could use to promote your CPA marketing offer, or use as a form of landing page right now to get traffic to your CPA marketing offers. So this can actually substitute for a landing page right here, which you could use to promote multiple CPA marketing offers right here. As you can see, you can actually put in everything right here, or every single thing you are, in just one simple link. And guys, if you want to just simply use this platform, go on to using it. Is quite suitable for you when you do go on to selecting much more amounts of CPA marketing offers. You could promote about 5, even 10 or 15 CPA marketing offers depending on you right here using the link tree. And once that is actually done, you just want to head back to this platform which is called the gumtree.com, and you want to just simply select what your CPA marketing offer is all about. So right here guys, I could just simply select giveaway right here, and you can see a lot more other stuff right here which you could, or categories which you could just simply go on to selecting. You could see the hobbies right here, you could see the mattresses, the books, the glassware and others right here. You could see some cool stuff right now. Maybe I could just simply select others for my category right there, and you can see right here it's actually asking me for a postal code. So once I do put in a postal code and just simply click on go. And guys, if you cannot gain access or you don't know postal codes, you can just simply use this platform right here which is called Google to actually go into searching for the United Kingdom postal codes. And I can just simply go into copying one of these postal codes, head back to that platform right now, and go on to pasting that in right here. Once you do paste that in, click on go. You can then just simply go on to filling out more details about this your offer which you intend on promoting. And right now guys, you want to just simply get a cool photo which you want to use for this section right here. Maybe you could just simply go on to Google and actually do go on to searching for giveaway. If you do search for the giveaway images right here, you can see a lot of images right now. Go on to the images section and do make sure you do go on to downloading one of these images right here. If you do download the images, you want to just simply go back to that platform right here, click on add photo, and you want to just simply go on to selecting that particular image. You can see the image has been selected right now, and as you can see you could add up to 20 photos, and more photos actually do get more replies. Right now I could just simply add another photo right there, but I'm just going to leave that as it is. For the title right here, I'm just going to use in maybe the same title as my CPA marketing offer. So I'm going to select that offer right here again and actually do go on to copying the title to that CPA marketing offer. But if you're promoting multiple offers, that is if you did use the link tree, you want to just simply draft out a title yourself and actually do come right here, paste in that title. For the description, I'm just going to use exactly the same description right here as in CPAGRIP, so as not to waste much of our time. But I assure you guys, or I do want to just simply advise you guys to go on to generating a type of description yourself right there that is actually quite amazing. You can see right here for the price, I'm just going to put in something like this right here. So you just want to make sure you do go on to selecting a price right now, and if you do that right here, you can see the section which says add website link. You want to just simply click on this right here. You go on to pasting in the link to that particular CPA marketing offer. Supposing guys you're promoting this offer and you did go on to creating a landing page, you're just going to use the landing page link right there, which you did link to that particular offer right there, and you may just want to use your link tree link right there and actually do go on to pasting that in this section. So once that has actually been pasted, you can then just simply go on to checking out more details that will actually make your ad actually stand out. And as you can see right here, have your ad appeared on the top of the category listing for 3, 7 or 14 days right here. You will actually go on to checking out those features and clicking on any one that actually suits you. You could also go on to checking out your contact details, and once this is done, you could just simply go on to posting your ad right here on this particular platform. And if you post your ad on this platform, this will actually enable you go on to promoting your CPA marketing offer and do gain access to this amount of traffic which this website actually generates right here, and you can start making money with CPA marketing using this strategy. And guys, that's it for now, and I hope this video was actually helpful to you. If yes, smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. So see you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.